That's absolutely right, Brendan. Carolyn, the opinion comes after a state lawmaker requested the Attorney General's office look into the matter over concerns regarding parking tickets. The Charleston Beach Foundation says that they reached out to Isle of Palms City Council back in July with concerns about their contract with outside parking group PCI Municipal Service, which also serves Folly Beach. After reports that the number of citations skyrocketed when PCI took over, the Charleston Beach Foundation questioned whether PCI had the authority to issue those citations and whether them getting a portion of the revenue influenced how many citations they write.
We love our beaches and we want to continue to have access to our beaches. There needs to be rules and regulations, though, but when it comes to the laws of our state, they should be enforced by uniformed law enforcement officers, not by private security forces.
They sent a letter to the city and asked State Senator Larry Grooms to look into the matter, along with a group from Mount Pleasant. Grooms requested the State Attorney General's office weigh in on whether municipalities could contract with private companies to enforce local parking ordinances. A November 15th opinion by the office concluded that local government cannot delegate parking enforcement to a third party because it falls under their own police power authority.
It was having a private vendor, not a police officer, to traffic laws, which would be parking violations. So you do not want to give a profit motive to a private entity to enforce the laws of our state. And so I asked for the opinion, and it came back as I thought it would. But it's not me saying this. This does have the weight of the Attorney General.
I spoke to Folly Beach Mayor Tim Goodwin, who said the statement from the Attorney General's office is an opinion and had no other comment. Isle of Palms Mayor Philip Pounds told me, quote, "We are reviewing the Attorney General's opinion and discussing next steps with our legal counsel," end quote. Senator Grooms told me he does believe that the Isle of Palms will be influenced by the opinion. We will continue to follow this developing story. In studio, I'm Emma Charles. Count on 2.
Hungry Neck